Hi everyone, Tim the Planeman here. A big shout out to Room 13, Carlisle Primary School in Perth, Western Australia. When I was about your age, I started building and flying balsa model planes just like this one. And over the years, I've built many other planes, like this scale model of a tiger moth, or this vertical takeoff and landing drone dual use plane that I built and flew myself. Or this, which is a huge plane. The wingspan of this plane is taller than I am. I have had an awful lot of fun in the hobby, building and flying planes, but now with my computer background, I moved then into developing the control software for RC planes and drones. And I'm now a proud member of the Autopilot development team, which develops flight control software, a member of the Standards Council of Canada and the International Standards Organization, and also the World UAV Federation. Of course, I have my YouTube channel. This is where you are now. If you want to see all of the different planes that I've built and flown, check out the channel. I have, I think, hundreds of videos, and they're all, well, I had a lot of fun making them. I think they're really cool. Tim the Planeman, over and out.